This 2016 Thor Motor Coach Miramar 34.1 is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 35 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep 6, air conditioning, water heater, LP detector, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, self-contained, slide-out, skylight, TV, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, couples coach, rear bath. This 2016 Thor Motor Coach Miramar 34.1 is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.